Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your data and gathering essentials. Backup contacts and any saved messages, and screenshot APN settings so you can restore them. Once done, power off your phone briefly and reinsert the SIM to ensure proper contact. Now unlock the device and open settings. You're aiming for mobile network controls, so search for SIM and network or mobile network. This makes the next steps faster and prevents accidental data loss while you reset network configurations. You're in the right menu. Go to Settings, then System or Additional Settings and find Reset options. Tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. This clears APNs, paired Bluetooth, and network caches, which forces the phone to fetch fresh carrier settings. Confirm the action when prompted. This is reversible but removes saved network data. After the reset runs, immediately reboot the phone to reinitialize radio modules. Make sure airplane mode is off so radios can reconnect, and once the phone restarts, re-enter your APN settings from the screenshots or let the carrier push them automatically. You may need to select your preferred network type like 4G/LTE under mobile network. If service still fails, toggle airplane mode on and off to force reconnection, and test the SIM in another phone to rule out SIM or tower issues. If you see persistent no service, contact carrier support with your MA ready. They can check provisioning and signal at the tower.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.